This might be the last camera bag I'll ever need. I thought every other time I was trying a new one. And to save you some time and money, I made this video for you. Regular camera backpack has a lot of dividers and you can set it up in the way that will fit whatever you decide to bring with you. You also may need your work machine with you if you travel. But using this bag on the go wasn't the best experience, especially if you are walking around park taking pictures from time to time, like street photographers or nature photographers. It's a bit bulky and you have to put it down every time. Yet it fit a lot of stuff. This one is not quite a camera bag, but I needed something that will be small and light to use when I'm going on a random walk around the park or taking camera with a drone with me on a bike ride. But it wasn't the safest bag for quite expensive gear. This carabiner, if turned in a certain way, can easily disconnect. And I bet you don't want your camera be in the bag when it happens. So I finally got an idea in my head of what his ideal camera bag would look like. It has to fit camera with 2 lenses, drone, controller, a little tripod or a gimbal, and it has to be reliable and easy to use on the go. And I found this. Look at this guy. I was surprised this one never came up on my YouTube feed or Instagram. It looks very sturdy. In this shell I can fearlessly put something fragile like lens filters or an SSD. Thanks to that rigid cover, it won't break, and SSD will stay firm in place. I know exactly what I'm gonna carry in this section. I have DJI Mini 3 Pro and I'm carrying it in the case, and it fits just perfect. I feel like they have had collaborated with the DJI on that part. Let's see if the rest of the space here will allow me to put camera with a zoom lens, 2 additional lenses and a controller for the drone and a gimbal and maybe something else. I like these sections. It's just enough. Okay, controller. Oh my god, I feel like I'm playing Tetris like with a cheat code. I already love this bag. I don't need this divider for now, cause I just got this all zoom to try it out and I want to bring it everywhere. And width of this bag allows you to have quite a big lens on the camera. And there's still enough room for 2 smaller lenses, like Sony 85mm and old 50mm with a converter. Cause I have Sony, but this is from Pentax, you get it. But that's not everything. Sometimes I want to have gimbal with me, just in case. And this side pocket, like bottle holder, holds it very secure. And with this additional strap, it won't fall off, even if you will fall off something. But the best part about this bag, that makes it better than many others, is quick access. It takes minimum effort to grab your camera from the bag and take a photo. And as a photographer, you probably know how important it is to be able to just grab your camera and take a photo. These 2 limiters preventing the entire zipper from unzipping. You can even do some blockbuster action photography stuff with it. That's not what I would recommend to do, but those 2 limiters give you peace of mind that all your stuff won't accidentally fly out of the bag when you're taking pictures with even open side access pocket. And this additional strap keeps your bag on your back, no matter what you do. Also, it comes with a rain cover, which will keep your stuff nice and dry. I think I covered everything. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.